Sensitivity analysis and capital budgeting. Sensitivity analysis determines how sensitive a specific project is to risk. We are trying to determine how much of a financial impact a set of risks will have on our project. Sensitivity analysis are best displayed as a tornado diagram. We will start with the broadest range of impact to the narrowest range of the risk at the bottom. For example, this risk could potentially save us $5K or end up costing the project an additional $10K than expected, which would be a range of $15K in risk. In order to conduct a sensitivity analysis, you need to take both qualitative and quantitative steps. First, identify the key variables that could impact the outcome of the project. We will need to review for both internal and external variables. Internal factors: cost structures and budget, resources, project schedule, quality standards. External factors: market conditions, economic factors, supplier relationships, stakeholder expectations. Next, define the range of values for each specific variable that could impact the project by considering both optimistic and pessimistic scenarios, such as a vendor coming in 10K under budget or 20K above budget. Finally, determine the relationship between the variables by assessing how the different variables will interact with each other and how this could impact the project. Quantitative steps. Once the quantitative steps have been completed, begin the quantitative steps by testing the project through several different scenarios to see how the changes in variables have impacted the outcome of the project. Next, evaluate the results of the different outcomes. Based on those results, you can develop a mitigation plan that will address the potential risks, both big and small, and also capitalize on opportunities that could positively impact the project. Capital budgeting is the process of evaluating and selecting long-term investment projects that will result in the positive cash flow and contribute to the company's strategic objectives. Capital budgeting decisions will involve reviewing several different projects with their own sensitivity analysis and determine which projects will be best for the company in receiving the funding. How can a project's risk be incorporated into a capital budget? A company can incorporate a project risk into a capital budget using several different strategies. 1. Apply the risk adjustment discount rate to reflect the project's risk profile. This discount rate is used by calculating the present value of future cash flows by adjusting the discount rate to account for project risk. The risk will be incorporated into the capital budgeting analysis. 2. A risk-adjusted rate of return is calculated using a capital asset pricing module utilizing the CAPM formula, which incorporates risk into the capital budget. 3. As mentioned in previous slides, a sensitivity analysis can incorporate risk into the capital budget by identifying potential risks and opportunities in different scenarios that will impact the overall outcome of the project. 4. Risk management strategies can be implemented into the capital budget by utilizing risk mitigation measures such as insurance, diversification, and hedging. List of references, and thank you for your time.